Be ready? Start. In spite his preoccupation, the Minister of Agriculture has said that the government will give agriculture the status of an industry stop. I am afraid this appears like a cheat in friends grab stop. In the name of giving agriculture the status of industry, you will say that you have imposed taxes on industry stop. I hate this terminology stop. Tomorrow you will make agriculture an industry. Thereafter you will allow multinational companies in the fields of agriculture also stop. If the agriculture is given the status of an industry, then you will have to categorically mention in this policy that no tax will be imposed on farmers, no sales tax will be imposed on their produce, and no income tax nor any excise duty will be levied. Stop. You will have to make a promise to this effect in the agriculture policy. Otherwise, we see a big threat on hearing this promise of making the agriculture as an industry stop era. Now, as the issue has come up, I want to speak on it again. Stop. We had gone on a tour and came to know about the works done by the agricultural scientists. Stop. They have done a commendable job. Stop. It appears to me that our scientists are working with great dedication. We should let them work, but their problem is that they do not have funds to do the work. Stop. This is because the developing countries spend only 2% on research work. Stop. Some of the developing countries which are poorer than us spend just 0.56%. Stop. India is a vast and agricultural country. It spends just 0.32% on it. Stop. These are the figures given by the government. Stop. I would like to tell you that a Science Congress was held at Jaipur. Honorable Prime Minister had also addressed that conference. Dr. Srivastava, the then chairman of Science Congress, while delivering his speech in that conference, expressed his resentment and said that though the money being spent on research and development works had increased from 0.32% in 1958-59 to 1.13% of the gross domestic product in 1981, for the past few years it has come down to 0.9% only. Stop era. He said one more interesting thing. The industrialists sent up factories for agricultural products. Stop. Factories for jute, canned food processing units are being set up. Stop era. I wanted to say one more thing. Stop. We have talked to green revolution. We have concentrated on wheat in green revolution. We have not paid attention to paddy. You should not get offended. I am telling you, did not pay the attention to paddy which we should have. We are running after only basmati rice and bring in foreign exchange. You must have world market in your mind. You may now pay attention to Indian market. India is a country of 92 crore people. There is a very big market here. The mill workers cannot buy basmati rice being sold at rupees 40 per kilogram. He wants rice at the price of rupees 4, 5 or 6 per kilogram. He is being ignored. Interesting thing is that the production of coarse rice is much more than the other. This may help you attain your target very soon. Stop. You must be knowing that the production of scented rice, which is called basmati rice, is less. Stop. If you realize, then you should not run after dollars only. Stop here. Now the matter concerning milk has also been raised. Nitish ji has said so many things. I do not want to switch over to that topic, but I want to say this much only, that it is true. Indeed, we were told with a great responsibility in a committee that urea is being mixed in the milk supplied by Delhi Milk Scheme. We are drinking this urea. We are pouring urea in milk in order to increase thickness and fat in the milk. I am serious in saying that you get it investigated. I want to say another thing, that milk dairies are functioning in the cooperative sector. Anand Dairy is main among them. Milk dairies are in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. We had gone to see Anand Dairy. We talked to the chairman of National Dairy Development Board. He expressed his anxiety that licenses are going to be given to multinational companies for producing milk. The setup that we have established with so many years' efforts will get ruined if the multinational companies troop in. Stop. Whether you want the cooperative sector to compete with multinational companies, today private sector are not in a position to stand in competition with these companies and are fleeing from the field. Stop.